We're shopping for kitchen appliances today and we're back at OVO because we used this for our first home 5 years ago and it really sucks super well and it's super sleek. Alfred, what are you doing?
Oh, there's a new version eh.
Coco, how are you doing there?
OK，可以放面哦。
To suit our new home design, we're opting for this chimney hood instead.
Come, say hi to our new hood. Hi.
This is a very powerful machine. It's 3-in-1.
Oh, 3-in-1. It's just oven, right? Just bake pizza. Don't tell me this is also a air dryer.
No, it's also a microwave and it can also steam your bao.
Seriously? Oh, bro, this is gonna solve my problem. Awesome.